In this video, I'm going to show you how to sketch the standard position of an angle in the coordinate plane and draw an arrow for the correct rotation. We're also going to find one positive and one negative coterminal angle that is closer than any other coterminal angle. The reason they put this in here is because there are multiple coterminal angles, so they want to find the one that is the closest. All right, so let's get started. What we're going to do first is we're going to draw our coordinate plane. And then it's always helpful to understand how this works. And so we're going to always start with the x-axis at 0 degrees, and then we're going to rotate counterclockwise. So 90 would be up here, 180, 270, and then we get back to 360. So knowing where all of your degrees are is helpful for setting this up. All right, so what we're going to do is find theta 150 degrees. So 150 degrees is going to be between 90 and 180, so we know it's going to stop over here. And because it is positive, we would rotate counterclockwise. So this would be our direction of rotation. And so we would say that this is theta 150 degrees. So that's how you draw it. And if it was negative, we would have gone the other way and drawn the arrow the opposite direction. All right, so now let's talk about the coterminal angles. The first one that we want to look at is the positive one. Okay, and to find the positive one, basically what we're looking for is we're trying to figure out if we started in the same place and we rotated how many, we're trying to end at the same place back here. Okay, so to find the positive coterminal that's closest, we would just add 360 degrees to the 150, and that puts us at 510 degrees. For the negative angle, that means that we're starting here and we're rotating the opposite direction. So to find the negative coterminal angle, we would take 150 degrees and we would subtract the 360, which would give us a rotation of negative 210 degrees. Okay, so if you started with a positive angle, to find the next coterminal positive angle, you add 360 and you subtract 360 to find the negative. If you started with a negative angle, you would add negative 360, so basically subtract 360 to get the next one that's touching it, and if you wanted the positive, you would add the 360. So that's always going to be the relationship, is add 360 or subtract 360. As always, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. If there are additional topics you need me to cover, please let me know that as well, and please make sure to check out all of the other videos that I have available for you.